Hi, I'm Jen, welcome to the channel. Now you can look at Cookintree's Charlotte cake and you are absolutely going to see perfection. Now I'm going to put a full disclaimer on this video. Mine's crap. You look at Cookintree's, you like what you see. You look at mine, you roll your eyes. I even lost the footage at the end, so I can't even show the finished product. And then I had a whole facepalm moment when I realised that it's the wrong Charlotte cake. And I just wanted to say to Pavlin, I'm really sorry that this didn't turn out well. Right, so let's get back to Cookintree's wonderful Charlotte cake and let's see how mine really turned out. Roll it! Mix your 100 grams of sugar, 10 grams of starch syrup and 140 grams of eggs into a bowl over a pot of boiling water. You'll notice I've substituted starch syrup with glucose syrup and 140 grams of eggs into 3 medium eggs. Tweak the ingredients into a recipe I'm more comfortable with to ease into the recipe. If you want your cake to turn out like Cookintree's, then do as I say, not as I do. Once your mixture isn't grainy and your sugar is fully dissolved, add your 2 grams of vanilla extract and mix well. Then take the mixture off your pot and give it a whisk. The mixture will turn light and fluffy. Check the texture by creating ribbons and figure 8s on top of the mixture. The longer your ribbons keep their form, the better. If you've used 2 grams of red rice flour and 88 grams of cake flour, then you can skip this stage. If you're following me, add a few drops of food colouring before sifting your 90 grams of plain flour. Fold the flour gently into the mixture. Melt your 25 grams of butter and 40 grams of milk into a small bowl and add a little mixture into it. Once combined, fold into your cake mix and then pour into your already prepared tin. Bake your cake for 180 Celsius for 35 minutes. Get your 5 grams of gelatin sheets ready by placing them in cold water to soften them. While waiting, start making your filling by whisking your 200 grams of soft cheese till it's lovely and soft. Then add your half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 50 grams of sugar and 80 grams of plain yogurt into the soft cheese and mix it all together. Once the gelatin sheets are soft, squeeze out the excess water and put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. Add the melted gelatin into the mixture and start praying it doesn't turn into snot frosting. Excellent! The mixture turned thick and it didn't glue together. Hey, I'm taking the wins when I can get them, so stop judging. It's now time to whip up your 150 grams of whipped cream. Cookingtree says to whip the cream between 50 to 60%, which I'm guessing means the cream should make soft peaks. Add the cream to the mixture. Clean and dry your strawberries and start layering your cake. Since I don't have the same utensils as Cookingtree, I just layered as if I was making an ordinary cake. And we all know how that turned out. So, what did I learn while making my first Charlotte cake? And what would I do differently next time? I'd divide the mixture for the cake and make multiple thinner cakes than one big one, thus creating equal layers. Also, since I'm not too confident using gelatin, I'd whip the cream for longer to form stiff peaks instead of soft ones, hopefully taking away the need for the gelatin. I'd also buy more strawberries to make sure I have plenty for the top of the cake. But that's the thing about my channel, I'm not going to make things perfectly. What my channel's all about is just really being comfortable, being in the kitchen and just having fun. My mum is not going to forget watching me making this and just laughing at my frustration as my finger ladies fall off the cake. So I'm going to use this video as a test of perseverance and to just be happy even if, you know, everything goes to shit. So I'll say again, don't expect perfection because you will not get it here. You will get a laugh and you will probably find someone worse in the kitchen than you. And you know what? I'm good with that. I still love baking, I still love cooking, and I'm going to keep it that way. So sorry this took so long. I had to get over my fear of just not being perfect. Let me know your favourite recipe disaster down in the comments, and I'll see you down there. Bye!